Hi, guys. My cordial love for you again, and thank you so much. And you are welcome, most welcome. And I'm here with you with a new subject. You see on the board correct pronunciation of some daily WH words, and actually these WH words are very important for us and to use daily. But I would like to show you real O, the perfect pronunciation of the WH words. And let's come to a main point. You see here on the board. Here, the first word is what, and why, when, where, what, while, will, and well. These are the common words and common daily words that we use in our daily life. But we actually we know not how to pronounce the daily WH words uh, uh, perfectly or correctly. We mistake. So I would like to show you the correct pronunciation from the Oxford Dictionary, English to English. Here we see we pronounce what, not what at all. It is what, what. You see the symbol here. You see the symbol here. What, what. Oh, oh, ta. What. And this is oh, oh, ah, e, why. And o, a, when. O, a, where. And you see here O, A, E, T, white, but not white. This is while, but we tell while. This is while. O, A, E, L, well. This is you see W, H, E, E, L. Here the symbol is O, E, L, will, will, but we pronounce will. And this you see the sea fish name whale, but we pronounce well, like this. But the correct pronunciation is well. So these are the WH words we use daily, and we try our level best to pronounce these words correctly as far as we have the symbols from the Oxford Dictionary, English to English. And these symbols will tell us actually we are mispronouncing the words, the daily WH words. So let's try to pronounce the words, daily WH words correctly as much as we are concerned from the dictionary English to English, and the symbol are taken from the dictionary English to English. Okay, thank you. Bye.